Village.
Hello, I'm Tom Tinkham, and this is Fairfield Senior Village. So we're going to talk about the main water line, and our first shutoff is over here. And that's right here. This is our first shutoff. This is the north from the entrance. The second shutoff is all the way down the street at the fire hydrant. So we have two taps coming into this line. All right, so we're still at the entrance, and we have the water meter, 1 meter for the whole property. And our first shutoff is right in front of the meter that shuts off the whole line. And then we have our backflow, which has 2 valves on either side of it, which can also shut off the water line. All right, so we're in front of building 400. And this is the entrance coming into the property. The water line comes right here and branches into a circle around the loop. And we have a shutoff here going to the left and a shutoff going to the right. All right, so we're in front of 100, and we have a fire hydrant here in the island. There are 4 fire hydrants on the property, and within about 10 feet of every fire hydrant is a shutoff that shuts off just the fire hydrant in case it gets hit or knocked out. All right, so we're at 200 again, and this is our riser room. Each building has one. And we have our FDC, fire sprinkler stack, riser stack. This is your main water shutoff going to all units in this building is right here. And of course you have your fire panel, control panel, and the heater. Keep our riser room from freezing. And this stays locked. Keys are in the Knox box, which is on the front of 100. All right, so we're between 100 and 200, where these 2 buildings are together like this. You've got your meters nestled on these sides of the building. We've got our power meters. They're individually labeled for each unit, and we also have the house panel for the outside lights. Fiber from True Vista and all their supporting boxes.